It's just you, yes it does. I don't.
All right, here in Arizona, schools, they've been shut down, as you know, in order to spread the coronavirus, in order to not spread it. But for parents who don't know what they're going to do about childcare, the Boys and Girls Club, we told you about them, but the YMCA is helping out as well. Gibby has the details of how they are providing a safe and very clean environment for our kids. Gibby, good morning.
Good morning, Yetta. You know what? The Y's been doing this for a long time. As a matter of fact, over 100 years, dating back to World War I. But it's much more than just fitness, much more than just child care. Katie's Amenta joining me. Here's the thing. I mentioned over 100 years. You've been doing this. And over those 100 years, you've had to research and do so much. This is nothing new to you.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for being here. I mean, the YMCA has been a trusted community resource for over 125 years here in Arizona, especially in times of crisis. So with the recent school closings and then the fact that childcare is needed, this is no different for the YMCA.
And here's what you're doing. It is a membership area, but you are waiving that because of this. You're extending spring break. It is open to the public. What do parents need to know?
Absolutely. So even though the Y is a membership organization, we always are open to the public. And so we will be extending our spring break camp through March 27th at our 13 locations. We do recognize that there are families, single parents, military and health personnel that are not able to be at home with their kids, even though we're sure that they want to, right? So the YMCA is going to be there for them.
And, you know, parents still say, yeah, but I don't know if I want my kids close to other kids. That's the reason why schools are closed. But the thing is, you've adjusted your programming as such.
Absolutely. So we've been working really closely with the CDC, local health and government officials to make sure that we're following all of the recommended protocols, especially on our sanitizing, disinfectant. We're keeping a very close eye on hand washing for our staff and our kids. And we've implemented no contact, trying to really get involved with the social distancing protocols. And especially also, most importantly, if a child or a staff member is not feeling well, they're not allowed to come to the Y. So we're definitely keeping parents and kids and sick staff members at home.
All right. One of the other things that I want to mention as well is here's what the Y is doing as well. Let's say you're having a hard time with a money issue. They're going to look for assistance for you as well. So that money isn't an issue for you as well. There's so many services for you to come to. And like I said, the Y has been doing this for over 100 years with all the locations here in the Valley. It's obviously an option, especially for those who really have to go to work and need someone to watch their kids here as well.
Well, that's good information. Gibby, thank you.
Yeah, tough decisions for parents, working parents, single parents. You know, if you don't have the flexibility to stay home, it's a tough choice.
It's going to be really painful for a lot of people.